Hello, welcome guys. Here we are for discussing the PGDAST question number 3 from MSTE 002 Industrial Statistics paper 2, and for the information we are providing the PDF whole all the assignments in a PDF form. And if you want to get the answer in the PDFs all assignments, so you can contact me on my given number which is showing on your screen, which is 90093688238. And the question is the solve the following LPP using simplex method. So here we have to solve by the simplex method. This have the maximize and z is equal to x1 plus 2x2 and subject to the constants, and we have the equations are here 1 2 and 3, and here we are the x1 and x2 is greater than or equal to 0. So if you want to know the answer, if you want to get the whole assignments in the PDF forms, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is 90093688238. Thank you for watching this video. Hi, welcome to Statistics My Passion. Here we are discussing the question of PGDAST assignment of this question number 7. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing the paid assignments, so kindly message me on my WhatsApp number 90093688238. So the question number 7 is calculate seasonal indices by the ratio to moving average method from the following data. So here we have the 4 quarters here, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and the 2001 to 2004 are, and the numbers are given here. So if you want to see the answer, so kindly message me on my WhatsApp number, and you can get all assignments in a PDF format. Thank you so much for watching this video.